Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a corgi. That's right, we're going to draw a cute corgi. This corgi will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the corgi's ears. Here we will draw 2 pointed ears. Next, we will draw in the rest of the corgi's head. Feel free to make the corgi's head bigger or smaller. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Let's draw the corgi's body next. I will draw in 2 small paws in the front. Next, let's start drawing the corgi's face. Start with 2 small dots for the corgi's eyes. Isn't it so cute already? You can also change the facial expressions for the corgi too. Maybe it can be really angry or really surprised. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by using pink to color in the corgi's cheeks and mouth. Next, I will use my orange to color in the corgi. Feel free to change up the color for the corgi. Maybe instead of orange, you can change it up to brown or maybe even rainbow color. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Doesn't it look fantastic already? I'm going to leave the corgi's paws, snout, ears, and chest white, but feel free to fill it in with another color. Isn't coloring so much fun? Doesn't it look awesome? Let's not forget the corgi's tail too. Oops, I almost forgot. Wow, look at our amazing little corgi friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a sun or a park. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of little corgi in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the corgi. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and try new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.